This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the arm away from the windshield. Pivot the blade 90 degrees from the arm and slide the blade off the peg on the arm. Slide the new wiper blade onto the peg, then pivot the arm and lower it back onto the windshield. Raise the wiper arm away from the glass. Depress the retaining tab and slide the blade out of the hooked end of the arm. Slide the new blade onto the hooked end of the arm until it clicks into place. Lower the blade to the glass.